Greetings to the users of Legatrix. I welcome you all on behalf of Legacies to this tutorial where we shall understand how to generate various reports that are available in the Legatrix system. In any organization, it is generally seen that the unit head submits a compliance certificate to the board. Various formats of reports are available to the unit head to generate. Please note, a few of these formats are also available to a performer, to a reviewer, and to a function head to use as per their discretion. To generate these reports, kindly log into the Legatrix system using your specific login ID and password. You will be redirected to a login page which looks like this. Kindly go to the option that says reports. We see that there are 6 different report options that open up in front of us. We will understand each report in detail. The first report that we have available out here is a metrics report. Please note that a metrics report is simply a list of all the activities that have been done or not done by the organization from one time period to another. Please note that this time period is going to be specific to today's date minus 3 months. You have the ability to change the date to whatever is your requirement. You can also choose a particular frequency of tasks in case you only wish to see that frequency of tasks. You can change the compliance category to statutory compliances or internal compliances. You can choose whatever you wish in the compliance status if you only wish to see the complied tasks or if you wish to see all the different types of tasks in the system. Depending upon the risk categorization, you have filters available, the law category. In case you are part of more than one entity, more than one units, those filters are available, as well as all the different functions which fall in your particular unit. You can then simply show the report and it is going to open in a format like this. Please note that this is an entire list of all the filters that you have chosen and the particular report has been generated. Please note that this report can be exported into various formats like PDF and Excel for you to save and email to anyone that you wish. The second report that we have is a compliance certificate. Please note that a compliance certificate is exactly like the metrics certificate, the only difference being your year and your quarter is fixed, which means that you cannot choose a particular time period. It is going to be a quarter in any year that you wish to select. You again have other filters available like the status of the task, the risk categorization, law categories, entity, unit, and various functions. Once you generate the certificate, a certificate like this will be generated, which will have an attached annexure of all the different tasks that you have chosen from your filters available to you. This report can also be exported into various formats and saved for further use. The third option that we have is of a performance report. A performance report is generally used to see the performance of a particular unit, a particular department, and a particular performer in that particular unit and department. When you hit search, the entire list of activities done by this particular performer for a specific time period are going to be listed. Further drill down is possible using the risk, frequency, status, and compliance category filters. This report can also be exported into Excel and saved for further use. The fourth option that we have is of a legislation-wise report. Now this report helps you to list down all the various legislations that have been mapped to you for a particular entity, a unit, department, whatever the case may be. When you hit search using whatever filters that you wish to choose, you will get a list like this where you will understand how many tasks of what all laws have been mapped to you, to which department, which unit, which entity. The period can be changed, the frequency can be changed, and so can the risk categorization. Again, this report can also be exported to Excel and saved for further use. The next option that we have is a function-wise report. Now please note, a function-wise report simply gives you the list of compliances done or not done by a particular function in a particular department. This is only for internal use and can be used to see the performance that has been for a particular time period of any one department. The last option that we have here is of an event compliances report. Now please note that an event compliances report is used to generate a report for a particular unit, a particular department, depending upon the events that have been reported, not reported, or mentioned as no in a particular month, depending upon what conditional compliances happened to that particular unit and department in that time period. If any event has been reported as yes, that will be available in the yes option. If no events have been reported, that will be available in the not reported section. Please note that this report can also be exported and saved for use in whatever way possible. We hope that this tutorial was useful. Thank you.